Sup guys, it's me, White the Fish, and it has snowed a lot. This, it's ice and snow. It's a big pile. There's a plane up there. If you guys can see it, it just left. Oh wait, that's not a plane, that's a jet. Look how deep my feet are going. I stepped down once, and oh my god, you can literally see the bottom. What? Let's see how far I can punch this down. That's a foot deep. What? Yeah, the snow got pretty deep these past few days. I'm climbing up Mount Snow. I now call this mountain Mount White the Fish. Woo! I'm about to slide down this. Wish me luck. I'm gonna leave you guys up here. Oh, never mind. Ugh. Huh. So it does work as a slide. Noted. Ow. I got several broken bones. And then you climb up this way, where the snow is even deeper. Holy crap. You head up here, grab a piece of ice, like this. You chuck it there. You mess with the trash can. You throw another one. It breaks into a tree. I kick this. It breaks. I grab this. I throw it. It gets stuck in a tree again. What the heck? I'm then gonna leave you guys. Here's a good spot. Huh? Yeah? Oh. You guys didn't see there? I just fell. Alright. Hey guys, wish me luck. I'm about to slide down here. Yeah, that was fun. One more time. Gotta follow my own footsteps again. Hello. Fuck. Fuck. Oh god. Oh crap. You gotta do the ritual, right? You gotta throw it there. I threw it over the fence. And then I'm gonna slide down. Wish me luck, guys. 3, 2, 1. Damn, I went way farther. Yo. Then I punched this. Ow. I'm gonna go make a snow angel. Yeah. What? Ow. Oh my god, it's cold. Oh my god, it's actually cold. Ah. Thanks. Oh my god. Thank you for the snow days. Jesus. Thank you. Really. That's a moon. Hold on, that's the moon right there. If you guys don't see what I see the moon. Oh my god, voice crack. Watch it. There's the moon up there. Where'd it go? The moon's right up there. Where I'm pointing. You guys probably can't see it because my phone's there. The moon's up there. Right there. So, yeah. Oh no! No! Save me! Save me! Yeah! Oh. Yeah. This is a fit. I have the trousers, black spider jacket. Hey, I could punch everything. Yeah. Oh, there's a pole there. I'm gonna go try and climb it. I first gotta grab you guys. Oh, that didn't work. That didn't work at all. Oh. I need help. Most people in schools have snow days. Just like they had one on Monday. Which, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god. I'm gonna grab you guys. I think I just fell. I did. Ow. That's actually my reaction. Ow. Fucking hell. Get me up here. Fuck no. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Oh. I did budgies. The budgie flying over there. Watch out. I hit you guys. One more time. Oh crap. Alright, you guys are good. I'm gonna put you guys down here. Grab my gloves. Wipe them off. One glove on. Oh my god, it's cold. Oh my god, this is nice. Grab the second glove. Bang bang burrito. Get your burritos now. Get your burritos now. I'm having trouble trying to climb up this. Alright. I got you guys. Oh, whoop. Oh. And also guys, check out the live. It's the exact amount of time, which is 4:44. Yeah, it's 44 minutes and 44 seconds. I don't know how I stopped it at that time. Oh. Alright, let's go to this other chasm. Ow. Again, why? Why? Darn. A big one. At that tree. It just got evaporated. It's 31 degrees right now while I'm filming this. This is the thing that I hit you guys with. It's now gonna hit that pole. I missed. I now call this big one. That is way higher than that one. I'm basically the same size as that van. The real Mount White, the fish. I can see into people's yards. Let's go, that's an added bonus. I can also see a Bayshore Road. I found a better one to slide down. Okay, guys. You know what I'm gonna do. We're gonna do a POV slide. So, guys, wish me luck. Well, that wasn't really that good. Yeah. I barely made it halfway down. Found a better one. I fell. I fell even more. Ow. Oh. Oh, my leg. My leg stuck. Oh my god, my foot is actually stuck. My foot is actually stuck. It was stuck under this thing. It's stuck under this big thing. Son of a... I just got showered in snow. So, alright guys. One more slide. Alright guys, go check out the live. So, bye.